Hello, I'm Anthony Hughes, and I'm going to tell you how to use lock duration when inputting notes in Dorico. Lock duration is a simple but powerful idea. You have an existing passage of music, you want to keep the rhythms but change the pitches. With a note input active, engage the lock duration button or use the key command L. The caret will become a dashed line to indicate lock duration is active. Now simply click, type, or play a new pitch and it will be input, retaining the existing note duration. The caret will advance to the next note automatically, so you can input new pitches for an entire passage very quickly. When you reach the end of the passage of music, Dorico can look ahead and jump directly to the next note, keeping lock duration active. In order to retain the locality of a specific passage of music, you can set a preference to tell Dorico to jump to more music only if it occurs within a set rhythmic distance. Where there is no further music within that specified distance, lock duration will automatically disengage and you can continue with normal note input. You can engage chord input while lock duration is active in order to quickly build chords on existing notes without having to reselect the appropriate durations. You'll find lock duration is an easy way to make edits or corrections to an existing line of music, a quick method of making a variation copy of an earlier idea, or a simple way to start a harmony line. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.